Pachipamwe, and welcome to episode 1 of the Speak Shona podcast. Today's lesson, we're going to be focusing on how to say hello, how to greet somebody like the first time that you see them. There are so many ways to say hello. The basic way that people say hello is moro. Moro. Repeat after me. Moro. Moro is the informal way. So you would say this to your friends or, to kids younger than you. To elderly people or people in positions of respect, you would say moroi. Moroi. There's an extra E or Y sound after moro. Moro, moroi. That's the basic way to say hello. But if you're hanging out with your friends, most people in Zimbabwe will probably say Ndeipi. Ndeipi. Ndeipi means what's up. Repeat after me. Ndeipi. Ndeipi. If it's in a formal situation and somebody's wanting to greet you and they put out their hand, they might say kwaziwai. Kwaziwai meaning let me greet you. Others might say hevoi. Hevoi. This is another way that you say hello. So we've seen moro, moro, moroi, moroi, ndeipi, ndeipi, kwaziwai, kwaziwai, hevoi, hevoi. And then there's finally hesi. Hesi is super casual. So if I'm seeing my nephew, then I see him, I'm like, hesi, hesi uribo. Uribo meaning, how are you? So hesi is the last one. Let's say all of them one more time and you repeat after me. Moro. Moroi. Kwaziwai. Hevoi. Ndeipi. Hesi. Wait a minute. You must be saying, but Tsitsi, at the beginning of all of your episodes, you say Pachipamwe. Isn't that hello? It is. Pachipamwe is a Manyika dialect greeting, and it basically says, hey, I saw you earlier, so I'm seeing you again. Usually it's, I saw you earlier in the morning, and it's now afternoon or evening, and I'm like, we're still together, so hi there again type of thing, Pachipamwe. And I use it mainly because I, hopefully, will be seeing you again in episode 2, and I probably, hopefully, saw you a little bit earlier in one of the videos, maybe on YouTube or on Instagram. So I'm hoping that I'm seeing you again more than once in today. So, Pachipamwe. There you go. All the ways that you can say hello. Okay, now you've got so many to choose from in order to say hello. So remember, if it's informal or people, your friends, somebody younger than you, you can use Ndeipi or hesi or moro. If it's a little bit more formal, then moroi or hevoi or kwaziwai. Definitely lots of ways to say hello in chiShona. Don't forget to visit our website, speakshona.com, in order to get the transcripts. See you in episode 2. Tona.